The coronavirus has created historical demand for a wide variety of consumer and medical products. Manufacturers are struggling to keep up. Production lines are being run 2 to 3 times longer and faster than they were originally built to operate. As a result, individual machines in the line are breaking down or are just not fast enough to keep up with the increased production demands. Frain stands ready with its huge inventory of new and like-new machines, our large inventory of change parts, and expert staff of technicians to fill any packaging and processing needs you may have on a short-term basis. In the past 30 days, Frain has shipped 87 machines within 2 weeks of receiving the order. All these machines were simply borrowed for whatever period of time they are needed. Give us a call. Frain is ready to help you with any of your short-term packaging and processing needs.